Hey Matadors! Here are some tips on how to locate print materials inside the library or ebooks that you can access from home. Start at the library's homepage, library.csun.edu. If you are searching for a particular book, type in the title and the author's last name in the OneSearch search box. First thing is to sign in. Signing in will allow you to access all the special OneSearch features. If we have the book, it should be pretty high in the results list. If you don't see it listed or someone has the book checked out, we can still try and get it through interlibrary loan. See the CSU resource sharing video. If you are searching for a book on a topic, type keywords into the search box. From here, the best way to help you locate relevant material would be to use the Refine My Search options on the left-hand side. Under Resource Type, limit to books, and the results list will include both physical books located in the library and ebooks that you can access anywhere. Under Show Only, you can limit to Available online at CSUN for ebooks, or Available at CSUN for physical items located in the library. Make sure to use the other limiters such as topic, publication date, or location to help you narrow your search to locate more relevant information. If you click on the clear box on the left-hand side, you can apply these filters all at once and can choose to either include them or exclude them from the search. Then select Apply Filters. Once you find the book you're interested in, click on the title for additional information. If you choose to get the book yourself, note the floor, call number, and item status. Ebooks can be easily accessed by clicking on the title, then selecting the ebook link under Online Access. Depending on the ebook, you may be able to download specific chapters or pages to read offline. Check out our website for more information about borrowing privileges and checkout policies. Remember, if you need more help, just ask a librarian.